Okay, this one is used, traded in, what have you. He says it's $34,900. It does not come with any skirting, HVAC, any of the other extras that a new one would come with. But I figured I'd take a look at it just to see, for comparison, what it's got. What the options are. That's the kitchen. I guess this would be the dining area, living room area. I don't know if it comes with appliances. I guess it does. Oh, 1 bedroom. Nice closet. Oops. 1 bathroom. Does look like it has minor repairs, what have you. But I guess what do you want for use? That's livable though. Does not come with delivery or anything either. The other prices are, everything's included together, includes setup, delivery, HVAC. I think some of them are also throwing in the skirting too, but we didn't get skirting. That wasn't included with ours. One bathroom. Over here with a shower. And one closet. This actually isn't all that bad. Not for 30, what did I say, $34,900? Oops, dropped my paper. Yep, $34,900. Well, it's not great, but it's livable. Definitely livable. It's got the dishwasher, stove.